Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to the code interview. Today's problem number 1347, minimum number of steps to make two strings anagram, medium level. You are given two strings of the same length, S and T. In one step you can choose any character of T and replace it with another character. Return the minimum number of steps to make T an anagram of S. An anagram of a string is a string that contains the same characters with a different or the same ordering. Let's do it. First of all, by using the anagram definition, we need to count number of each characters in both strings, and after it we need to use characters of string T and keep only characters that not exists in S, so that unique characters should be replaced to another one to make the T and S anagrams. Let's do it. First of all, we need to count characters number. To do it, we can use function counter from package collections. And let's call dictionary with characters numbers SC. It's counter of S, and TC equals to counter of T. And so SC contains the characters with number of each character, and the same is in TC. Now we create variable for result and 0 by default. And now let's check each character in TC. Now we need to decrement TC with a number of the same characters in string S. So, and add it to result. So we can have the situation when some characters appears more times in S than T. So difference between the same characters in T and S can be negative. In this case, we need to use function max. First argument, the difference between TC of character C minus SC, the same characters. And the second argument, 0. So in the best case, when character C appears in string S the same or more times than in string T, we will get 0. And finally, let's return result. Let's check tests. Something wrong. Function name counter. Check again. Something wrong here. Yes, result. Test passed. Let's submit it. It works and pretty efficient. This algorithm has a time complexity of n, linear, because function count check each character is in both strings, and also we have a loop that checks unique characters in strings. Also, this algorithm has memory complexity also linear, because the set of characters in S and T depends on that characters they contain. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.